beautiful dolls and my beautiful sunshines. Welcome back to this your channel. I want to thank you so much for being here, for hitting the play button. I really appreciate you guys. You don't know how much. Thank you for all the likes, all the comments, and all the shares you guys have done. I love you bunches. Also, if you're not part of this beautiful doll and sunshine family, I invite you to go ahead and hit the subscribe button like this one right here. And after that, I invite you to go ahead and hit the little bell that comes up right after, just like this one, so it could notify you of any uploads that I have coming or that's uploaded. Thank you so much again for being part of this family, for supporting my channel. I love you all bunches. Hugs, kisses, and squeezes. And I'll let you see the video now. Bye.
So as you saw in the title, I'm working with the art inks from Exotic Nails. I did prepare my nails already. They have a white gel polish and a matte top coat, and this is the ink I'm going to be working with. I have 7 colors out of the ones I have. I know they have more, but I only have 7 colors, and that's the ones I'm going to be working with. I know it has to be on a matte top coat. I did my research before trying this. This is my first time. I know it has to be a matte top coat, and that I have to use acetone to disperse the ink. And I'll be using this old 3D brush that's kind of messed up already, so that's what I'm going to be using on this video. And I'm going to start with the pink one. Again, I'm letting you know this is my first time, so if it doesn't come out perfect, I apologize. But I feel like as I go through the colors, I kind of get it a little bit more. So I apologize if it's not perfect. It's my first try. I'm experimenting here with you guys and showing you guys how it would work if you were like a first time user for this product, because like I said, this is my first time. So I put it on and I dispersed it with acetone. The reason they say it has to be acetone is because it dries faster and it's not going to be running around. Here on my first one, I put on the ink pretty wet, and with as I go throughout the video, I figure out that it should be done a little drier. So I go ahead and do that. And I noticed that when I put drops of acetone, it gives it more of the marble effect. So right now on the first one, I'm just playing around with it, as you can see, and seeing how it works, what it does. And I'm like, okay, this is what I have to do. And some of them I don't cover all with the ink. I think, well, maybe just one of the colors I don't cover all. I want to see what I can do with it. I'm playing around with it. Like I said, it's my first time, so I want to see how it works, what it does, how I can do this. And so far I do like how it looks with the first one. I kind of slow-mo it for you guys so you can see how it ends up with each color. And there it is. I like it. I mean, for my first try, I think it came out okay. I still need to learn how to play with it a little bit more, but I love them. You know what I think they remind me of? The Easter eggs. You know when you dye the Easter eggs? And I think with light colors, at least with the pastels, I think it would be cool for an Easter set to use these marble effect ink or art inks. So with the black one, I was a little scared that it was staining too much, but then because at some point I left one on too long and it just was a dot there that was not blending or anything, but I just added a little more acetone and it started blending a little better. So yeah, I really love the way every single color looks. All of them, it's the same effect, but I feel like they look different depending on how much you put on and all that. So yeah, another thing, what was I gonna say? As you can see here, I put too much acetone because I was thinking it was coming out too dark, so that's what you see me doing there. Every time I separated my brush, I was wiping it really good on a towel. That way for when I put the acetone in, I wasn't depositing the color right back in and making it look too muddy. So I would dab and I would wipe my brush really good. Sometimes I wouldn't stick it back in the acetone, sometimes I would. Like I said, I was just playing around with the ink to kind of see how it works, what I could do, how I could work with it and whatnot. I really like, this is some of the new products that they have. They're not so new, but they're new to me. I didn't know they had them. And I want to try and once things get better, I want to try and get, like, they have the stamping gel. They taught us how to use a stamping gel in the workshop, which I really loved. Things you could do with it. They also have the spider gel. They have beautiful stamping planes and beautiful stamping gel, like I said, and amongst other stuff. They have a real awesome matte top coat I want to get, and another glossy top coat. Oh my god. And they have a builder gel in the bottle. Oh my god, they have a lot of stuff that I want to try, but We need to get on our feet first here at my house. There's that dark dot I was telling you about that I was like, oh my god. See how I dab it to see if it moves around? And then I just figure out what the acetone it will, so I just keep dabbing it. But yeah, these come out really, really nice. I really like the results on them for the marble effect. It's not like traditional marble, like you see the like mainly the same shape on all of them. It's a little more dispersed, more original, more different. I like it. I like it. So that's how the blacks turned out. I really, really like it. I apologize for the bubbles in the polish. And then I move on to the purple and so on and so forth. This is one of the ones I didn't add it on all the nails. I just wanted to see how it looked if I didn't add it on all the nails. And you'll see the end results. So I'll let you see me apply every color and play around with it. I really liked it. I really recommend. I only have 7 colors. I know she has more colors. I don't know the price for sure. This was a gift for me on my birthday, so I'm not sure about the price. But I will be putting the links down below so you guys could go check her out. I'll put the Facebook page and the website. She's a really nice person. You have any questions for her, on the website it gives you an option for messenger. You just talk through there and she's really nice. She tries to get to you as fast as she can. Also through the like page, she messages you as fast as she can as well. She's a really nice lady. I've done workshops with her. She is amazing. She's not stuck up or anything. You have questions, she answers you. She's really patient. So also, if you have a chance to attend one of her workshops, she is amazing. I really recommend it. So I'll let you see the rest of the colors and then I'll be right back. here I'm doing the last color. It's a brown. I really like this color to do it like with rose gold and nudes. I really like how it looks, and maybe some copper or rose gold glitter. I really like the look. And then I move on to trying it with 3 colors. I wanted to try it with 3 colors because this is the color she mixed in the workshop. I wasn't there for that part of the workshop. I only went for 1 day, but she showed me really quickly. And these are the 3 colors she combined, and I wanted to try out because it looked really pretty on her nail. Again, I remind you, it's my first time trying this, and I'm trying to like doing it with the videos I saw and what I saw her teach me and what I remember, because I'm really forgetful. But I'm doing my best at this, and yeah, I'm gonna add these 3 colors. I really like the way these 3 colors combine, perfect for Easter. And as you can see, I'm drying out the color more. I learned that if I dry it out more, it works a little better and dries a little faster, because we're using the acetone apart from that as well. I do another one with purple and pink, but I didn't record that one, but you'll see the end result at the end. I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. So as you can see, I dispersed it with the acetone, and I add little colors by little colors. Add a little more purple where it faded too much. I wanted it to be a little stronger. And then pink at the bottom. I try to drain the brushes a little more now that I've gotten the hang of it. I feel like it works better that way for me. I don't know if that's the right way, but that's how I feel it works better for me. And then I just start tapping and tapping until I like what I get. Once I disperse it, I clean out my brush, like I said, after every color really good. I pick up some acetone and just put some drops on there. I like the way that effect it gives when I do that. So I like doing that a lot. I was having a lot of fun doing this video, to be honest. Seeing how the colors, look at that. I love it. This one looks kind of like marble and tie-dye. I really like the way it looks. And just for fun, at the end, one is going to be top coated in matte and one in gloss. The one I didn't record in gloss, and this one's going to be top coated in matte. And that's how it looks right now before I do anything else to it. And then I decide to add a little stamp after. So these are all the colors, and this is how they look in matte. They look really pretty. This is without top coating them at all. And then there's one in the middle in the front that I combine the colors that I think looks really cool. And then here I'm gonna go ahead, I'm not gonna show you what I use on this because I'm focusing on the ink. At this point I haven't been able to buy stamps from them, but I'm looking forward to it in the future. So I'm gonna go ahead and stamp some flowers on here. I think they're like dandelions or something. Anyways, I'm gonna stamp some on there, and since it's a big nail, I'll do half and half. And then once that dries, I go ahead and add a matte top coat, and then I put it under the lamp to dry. And there's the end result. My daughter really loved this. I really love the way it looks as well. It looks really pretty. You could do it glossier or matte, but I really like how it looks with the stamping on top. And then I'm going to go ahead and show you both of them next. I'm going to show you this matte one and then the one I did in glossy with the purple and pink. It looks really pretty. I love the marble with the stamping on top. I think it looks really nice. That's just something I like. You don't have to do it. It's just something I want to share with you. And then right here I'm going to show all of the glossy ones. And that's the end of this video. I hope you ladies liked. I will be putting the links down below if you're interested in any of this product. Thank you again for watching. Hugs, kisses, and squeezes. God bless you all bunches. I love you bunches a lot. Don't forget to check out some of the channels I recommend at the end and some of the videos. God bless you. I'll be doing the channel recommendation giveaways soon again. Sorry, I've been MIA. Bye.